Hola amigos! Today we're making a guiso, the perfect filling for sopes, gorditas, chiles rellenos, you name it. Stay tuned, we'll be right back with a perfect recipe. Today I'm making a guiso, the classic filling we use in so many Mexican recipes. Sopes, gorditas, empanadas, chiles rellenos, you name it. And this one's extra special to me because it's my tía Adriana's own recipe. This is my tía Adriana. Bienvenida a nuestro canal, tía.
Hola, Lois. Saludos para todos.
She's the one who taught me how far simple ingredients can go when you cook with love and patience. Today, I'm so excited to share her guiso, healthy, delicious, simple, and economical. Now let's get started. This recipe makes stuffing for about 24 gorditas. The ingredients for this recipe are 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 3 large carrots diced, 1 large zucchini diced, and 1 teaspoon of salt. We set our heat to medium, and once our pan is hot, we add our meat. While the meat is cooking, we're going to be breaking it up, and this will be cooking for about 8 to 10 minutes. Our meat is mostly browned, so now we're going to add our veggies. We add our carrots and our zucchini. We set our heat to medium-low. We cover our pan and we let it cook for 15 to 18 minutes. Here's the secret to the perfect stuffing. Keep your guiso dry and let it cook in its own juices. No extra water, no broth, no added liquids. That's how you get the ideal consistency for this filling. We're now going to check if our carrots are ready. They're soft, so this is ready for our salt. All right, we mix it one last time. And there you have it. Our guiso is ready. Now let's give it a try. Tía, esto está delicioso.
Sí, mija, la comida mexicana es deliciosa.
Most definitely. So stay tuned because in the next video, I'll show you how to make the dough where this guiso goes, for gorditas and more. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more Tex-Mex at home recipes, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new one. And don't forget to stop by our website at texmexathome.com. And I'll see you in the next one. Hasta pronto!
Hasta pronto.